round. Can you see? Now, as you can see, I've almost completed this round where I use single crochets all through. Can you see? So I'm going to round it up right now. So I'm going to insert into this place. Still single crochet. Then I insert here. Single crochet. So right now I'm going to change the color of the yarn at this point. So I'm going to invite another color. So I'll insert. So having inserted, right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Now having chain 4, I'm going to turn it like so. Then I proceed. So I'm going to insert into this second loop. This is the first one, but I'll be inserting into this. So I yarn it over, I insert, so I proceed into the next loop. So this is the second one. I yarn it over, I insert, so I bring it out. Can you see? So I'm going to bring out the first 3 chains. So I'm going to bring out the first 3 chains on that hook. Having brought out that first 3 chain, then I bring out these 2. Can you see? So right now I'm going to yarn over. This is 1. This is 2. Three, 4, then 5. This is 5. So right now I'm going to bring it out. Haven't brought it out. See? So we are going to proceed. That's one. That's two. Three. So I bring out the first 3 chains, then I bring this out, then I proceed inside here the way we did here with 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So right now I'm going to bring this out. So bring it out gently. Two, 3. Bring out the first 3 chains. The first 3 chains. So like I said it's 5 in this big loop. Five. This is 4. 5. So to get to the end, so having got to the end of this round, I'm going to yarn it over, then I insert into this place. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to yarn one, I chain 1, then I turn it like so. I insert into this first one here. So with single crochet, then I look for the midpoint the way we did it the other time. with single crochet. So then I come to the joint here with single crochet. So this is how we are going to go till we get to the end of this round. And you see, one, two, three, four, five. So we're going to proceed till we get to this. So this is going to be our final bust stop. So depending on how whatever you want to make, so you can proceed from there. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful pattern, very nice design. You can use it for anything you want to make. So nice. So start there. Then a chain. Can you see? So nice and beautiful. So I've chained one, so I'm going to turn it like so. Then we proceed with our single crochet. Then I look for the mid one here. So till we get to the hinge. So as you can see, we have got to the hinge. So right now I'm going to make a stitch knot at this edge here. Can you see? So we have got to the end, and you see it's a very beautiful design, very nice. So this is the conclusion of our tutorial for this for today. I thank you all for watching this tutorial and taking your time to watch to the end. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again, bye for now.